got your new Starlink, the tripod here has a hole in on each one of the feet to the tripod. If you're going to be doing a ground mount, you can use these nail pegs. They're 10-inch heavy-duty nail pegs. They're designed to nail down a tent. I got these at the local Walmart a while ago. I checked on the Walmart site. They have the same pegs, except they have an orange cap on the top. So just securing it to the ground, I push them in. And if the ground is hard or rocky, you could just simply use like a hammer to pound them in. These tent pegs should be pretty effective in keeping the antenna from being tossed in a high wind situation. Now, if you're mounting it on something like a deck where you have a table that's has some weight to it, you can attach it to the top of the table by using some zip ties. I'm using the lattice here to attach it to. Most patio tables will have a hole through the middle for like an umbrella to be mounted, provide shade. What you can do is run the zip ties down through this opening here and attach it to an object that will not pull through the opening. The problem of it blowing off the table is now solved.